grabbed an exhaust. I don't know if I mentioned this in the last video, but so yeah, this is, I believe, a single 3-inch exhaust, and it's just like a straight through. This is the muffler right here. The only thing I'm going to change about this exhaust is I'm going to cut this single like down thingy off and add a twin tip thingy, because I don't like single exhaust tips on BMWs unless it's two single ones like on the E36, like one here, but besides that it has to have two tips like that. So I'm about to order one on Amazon right now, but I just need to measure this thingy. I'm pretty sure it's 3 inches as well, but this is a pretty nice setup, and it looks like it's pretty well tucked as well, plus it's all V-banded and everything, so it's easy to install and take apart. So yeah, this is also a very lightweight setup. I think this whole exhaust is probably like 25-30 pounds in the stock, well, not stock, but the stock with the cats and this like thing with the resonators, the Uuc exhaust. I'm pretty sure that's about like 60 pounds or something like that, because the cats and stock resonators and everything are pretty heavy. So once I put this on, it'll sound nicer, it will be free flowing, and it will be lighter, all things that I want. And I've also never ran a single pipe exhaust on an E36 before. I've always done dual pipes, so this will be good to know the difference in sound. So right now I'm going to, well, not right now, actually I might just do it right now, but this section right here I'm going to remove and switch to the vibrant muffler resonator, whatever, the vibrant resonator, because I already know this thing is going to be ear-piercingly loud, and I do not want that. I do not want the car to be super loud, as is with the stock exhaust setup kind of thingy with the Uuc catback. It's already pretty loud, but it's not like loud. Like, you can tell that the car is like struggling to get all the air out. So this is going to be what the car really needs, because it does not like to have the what do you call it, it doesn't like to have catalytic converters, because those things are very restrictive, plus the piping is really small as well. So with the Y pipe that's on there and the whole 3-inch section, it's going to give this thing a lot better sound, a lot better flow, and a lot better performance, because that's what this built engine needs. Can't work with this stock exhaust. So yeah, I'm probably going to see if I could get that installed tomorrow, as well as do the alignment and lower the front. And then that will be like pretty much all I'm going to do for now, until I'm able to find the 3.5-inch exhaust, 3.5-inch intake. And yeah, that's literally it, because I just have to get the fuel pump assembly thingy to put the 450 fuel pump in, install the 36-pound injectors, and get a retune on E85, and that's it. Like, literally under $1,000 for everything, plus I'm going to be making money because that Uuc catback is going to be sold for probably like $800. But so basically for free, I'm going to add like 30 to 40 horsepower. So yeah, that's literally all we need. And I'll be doing like sound clips and everything, because this video that I'm recording right now is going to be the exhaust video. So I'm going to continue this part of the video tomorrow, and that will be the exhaust install. Well, I'm going to rev it up and give you guys some sound tests and everything like that. Install the exhaust, sound clips of the exhaust on, and some driving clips, and that's that. That'll be the end of this video. But there's a lot more to come. Like I told you guys, I got this car because I need to put out more content, and this car is perfect for content because it doesn't need too much at all. So I'll get back to you guys in the next clip, which will most likely be tomorrow. Alright, so per usual, forgot to charge my phone. Super annoying. I really need to not forget to charge my phone, because I need my phone to record. But yeah, we're about to go and get the exhaust installed. So I'm about to start the car up and give you guys a couple exhaust clips of the car stock. It's just stock with a Uuc catback. And then after that, we are gonna get some exhaust clips with the new exhaust on. So yeah, simple. And this is actually 2 days later. I believe the last clip was Sunday and today's Tuesday. The piece from Amazon came late, like almost 5 o'clock, and the exhaust shop closes at 5, so that wasn't gonna work. So here we are today. So that 15W40, you gotta let the car, what do you call it, for a couple seconds before you just start it up. But yeah, as you guys can see, there is no cold start or anything. Like, that's not a thing. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes when the car is warmed up. So like the yellow car, the underside of this one is like completely rust free. Like it just has like baby surface rust on these kind of parts. But like, as you guys can see, everything is rust free, and you can see right there, starts to make it racing stuff. The KW springs in the back, all the poly bushings and everything, M3 rear axle. So everything is all like beefed up all around. Everything is just like completely rust free. Jack points are still intact, which you never really see. Like, everything is nice. Like, and that's exactly why I'm only buying out of state e36s. And you guys can see right here, newer oil filter and everything. Like, all set for E85 and everything. So right after this, we're gonna get the thing retuned and whatnot, and then yeah, I'm probably gonna have 22 RPD do the retune. I'll probably order it this week or so, because I just sold the ad band, so that should be in. So yeah, right after this, it should be all set. Yeah, you can see the front bar and the new one. It's thicker than stock. Like everything is nicely upgraded. So yeah, everything is real nice under here. And then you can see the KWs up there. A little bit of surface rust on them, but not too bad. Also, you can see the brake ducting right there. So I'm gonna add that piping back so it could cool the brakes. So the new one's starting to go on now. And then you just have to turn the muffler, and then it's gonna go all the way out to the end. So yeah, then we're gonna hopefully be able to put the what do you call it? This twin tip thingy on, because he was saying it may be a turn down because of how high the thing is angled, but I guess we just have to see. So I'll show you guys that in a little while. But yeah, I don't like single tips on E36s, so hopefully we will be able to put that one on. Even if we have to clearance out the rear balance, that'll be cool.